Friends, hope you are doing great with your family and friends. Uh, I found that it's very important to be aware of legal rights, so that once you know what are all your legal rights, then only you will know that somebody has infringed, and then once you know that somebody has infringed your legal rights, then you will know how we can seek for a remedy within the legal systems that we got by virtue of constitution or by virtue of legislatures created at center, state. So that knowledge is very useful when either you buy a land or during knowing the rights, your social rights, knowing your civic rights is important as a citizen of this country. So in that interest, I'm going to create a series of videos to spread the legal awareness. So keep watching this. If you are interested in any specific topic related to law, please leave a comment. So I will definitely look forward to create a video and share with you all. So this will be basically to spread awareness among the citizens of India related to law. This is just an will be educational sessions. So looking forward to be along with you all in this great journey of spreading the happiness and legal awareness for the citizens of India. Thank you. See you with the next video.